let God,
wena wenza umsebenzi wakhe
you do his duty or keep his way,
yena angayivela.
and he doesn't keep his way.
Lekobusiswa kwakho ke,
This thing of you being blessed,
it does not have anything to do nenkolo yakho.
I stand there with you, with your faith.
Noba ngawukholwa,
Whether you don't have faith,
kodwa sithi wo siyabusisa.
but we are saying we are blessed.
Ngoba wena
You shall go you,
uthi masewuzibonile izibusiso zakho,
having witness or seen your blessing,
ubuye uzothi khehla ngiyibonile.
you will come back and say, Father, I have
I
seen.
don't need ukukholwa.
I don't need you to have faith.
Uma nizawuzalwa,
When you are about to be born,
zani understand isoba nizawuzalwa.
you were not made to understand you be given birth.
Kwafika ixesha lokuzalwa,
The time of you being born came,
wazalwa.
and you were born.
Ukhona ngoku.
You are here.
So ixesha lokusikelelwa kwakho lawufika.
So the day of your blessing, once it comes,
Isikelelo yakho ixhoba phezulu.
the blessing is put upon you.
Asidingi noba uyi-understand.
We don't need you to understand.
Noba uyayi-understand,
Whether you understand it
noba
or
uyi-understand.
you don't understand.
Uba uyintlobo engqina ngokubona,
If you are this kind of a person who only believes once he sees,
uzobona.
then you will see.
Then uzositshela ukuthi ngubani.
Then you shall come back and tell us that you have seen.
Hambani ke niye emakhaya.
Go back to your home.
Nihambe niye emakhayeni.
Go back to your congregation.
uThixo asikelele nina.
God bless you.
Asikelele abantwana bethu.
Bless your children.
Asikelele imamati nokhokelele.
Bless the congregation.
Asikelele into eziqingayo.
Bless things that
Asikelele into
you
ezinye eziphathayo.
Bless things that you
Asikelele
want.
zonke into ezibalwa esandleni sethu.
Bless everything that is called
Kuba
for you.
nikwazi